Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents. You will never drain leftover pickle juice if you knew how healthy it is. What are pickles? Personally, I love pickles. Pickles are among the most popular fermented foods around the world. The vegetable is usually left to ferment in brine, vinegar, or some other solution. The crunchy and sour taste is a favorite of thousands and is especially popular in Eastern Europe. There is simply nothing in the world that tastes better on a corned beef sandwich or piled on top of a juicy cheeseburger. But once the pickles are all used up and the hamburgers have been eaten, what the heck are you supposed to do with all the leftover juice? Most of us just dump it down the drain. However, did you know it's actually a huge waste to throw out all your pickle juice? That stuff is damn useful. Keep it on hand and you will quickly discover all the genius ways you can use it, from the kitchen to the house and even your own body. Watch the full video to find out a few of our ways to put pickle juice to work. Unusual uses for pickle juice you weren't aware of. Prevents stomach cramps. Did you know that drinking pickle juice can stop stomach cramps? The probiotics in the juice will boost your digestion almost instantly, effectively stopping the cramps and the pain. Treats heartburn. If you are often suffering from heartburn and you can't seem to find a solution, try pickle juice. Just a teaspoon should be able to help instantly. Soothes sunburns. Thanks to its cooling sensation, rubbing a bit of pickle juice lightly on sunburned skin can provide relief. Relieves muscle cramps. Whenever you experience muscle cramps, drink a glass of water with some pickle juice. Due to the high salt content, the juice will quickly be absorbed into the body and eliminate the cramps. Eliminates bad breath. Pickle juice has powerful antibacterial properties that can destroy the bacteria in your oral cavity and eliminate bad breath. Helps soothe a sore throat. Take a few tablespoons of pickle juice every day to heal a sore throat and prevent its recurrence. Treats hiccups. Hiccups are really tough to treat, but pickle juice can help. Instead of water and sugar, drink a teaspoon of pickle juice or two. It should stop them in their tracks. Great defroster. Here's one you surely haven't heard about. Pickle juice is a very powerful defroster. You can pour it on your frozen patio in the winter for a quick and easy defrost fix. Eliminates weeds. The acidity of the juice can easily eradicate weeds and keep your garden safe from them. A great addition to many recipes and drinks. Did you know that you can use pickle juice in different recipes? It works great for cocktails and as a meat marinade, while also giving fries a great flavor. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.